exactly. Obelusu 2-0 Babaya Sports Stadium. And on Pamono Thursday we brought the news here. The new coach opinion friend era fake no budina to Omasha Kotoko 3-0 This is not a coincidence. This is football and it is repetition of events. I have 40 examples for the sake of time. Where I have 15 and I'm a boss and the team do opam ni coach pet. In the next game, the team play like wounded lions. We would go into the game. A dubious penalty. It was non-existence. But overall, it was for team decide we're all over. In midfield, in attack, they were everywhere. In defense, they kept a clean sheet. Asante Kotoko played as if nothing is at stake. Now Thursday, no me Emma patron ka say abamubuo asem na meken na meka say dabi enwoma na esisi no omo pam omo coach na me hu say ade we bad omen for Kumasi Asante Kotoko enti wo hwe ya masma meka ni say your 4 possibilities are na ebesi say as God ne Kotoko omo mi ani na no omo be firi mu say possibility no na ni po bebre adwen course say betimi asi eno so na si here. And that was the worst case scenario. And to us, we are as say in football, when a team sack 8 coaches, the team be the coach in Sasayaba and number Enkoya in the next game 99.999999%. The team wins, the team qualifies, and I have given examples of Manchester Sajino AC. Kakrabi on a branch a friend or Idrissa Gana guy, and then you go France Osafo. Abante na supporters say to no. Who say never never go no. But almost say
Juma Abante here.
Enya some ketwa nika Juma. 6 victoires, 6 matches, 6 matches, 6 wins. Say Idrissa Gana ko Paris Saint-Germain about 6 matches. O ma win 6 no. When so mun concede goal.
That's great.
And the African player friend Idrissa Gana guy, what he's doing in France now, he alongside Neymar. Omumi no and omo da Paris Saint-Germain. Omo supporters no omo da omano bless Madrid say there ye ni madwuma oboye ani ankosa game no because it was against Spa but uti asma Mauricio Sarri kai about bless Madrid always I state say bless Madrid he's a better player than even Pogba. Did I remember me receive this concern say about fan Madrid no Mauricio Sarri say after Ronaldo he is the indispensable player and when you to steam no. But did you say bet to us so game no special one will dive into it. But this is just a preamble in football. Team this is the coach in the next game.
The probability so be winning no I was so
99.9999% they would win and I saw this coming. I'm not surprised at all. Osafo.
Okay, Garba Rabel, the only sports engineer in sports. And one man fatu abakosem kakra no ni oni ahye na Golden Beam say 5-year anniversary no baso den na Asantima wo mo ba gromai Asantima jomo so kama 5 years ni Paul Amantem ne so change edikanfo omo ese omo ba be celebrate omo 5-year anniversary no omo say shas 7th October omo e clean up exercise omo we aerobics omo de be etato sanso and that is Tuesday 8th October. Almost about the float for the principal street of Kumasi. Now, the Wukoda so Omakwa Coffee City of an home and mental home. So, we are blood donation, almost staff no ever sound so Friday, 11th October, almost on my cocktail get together. Now, strictly by invitation. Omo invite you, ya, Mr. Unya inviter, Menko, it's as a security about no, and no bed here, papa. Now the question that's only the security be a new I saw them or time giving service no ubet me ababe jomo na omakwa kodanya nkopon ase enti momo dia say mobile HN so say Golden Bean omo 5-year anniversary no baso Kafam Ghana Limited me pacho Nesco product no omo edi aba Nesco product na papa me pacho 32 LED satellite television no omo esebra omo te price ne so oto a omesan so achew wall bracket no omo cho baako sound so and 43 no me pacho oto a no mesa ma Bluetooth speaker no omo ede chew Kafam Ghana Limited yeda say brebia wo che Asantima de omo se Samsung 32 eno so omo eton Samsung na Samsung 48 inches ne so omo eton say television no enso so ebi washing machine boru a ho benya bi ato Samsung and na double door fridge no obo owura ho a eno so o benya bi ice chest ay kulu ni ma che boru amaso e ho Samsung and Nesco wireless Bluetooth a sound bar. ewura ho a eno so obe enye bi ato yenko na air condition no yenko nkoto bi bomb from anyunyunu electricity kan se na wotua ne sa na obetua charges no bi eka ho omo awaso ye ewo Accra Central Sanso na Achimota Legon Dakoma Oyarefa Nungwa Kaswa ene Takra de Kumasi de omo crow from opposite crow from Mazin and I said from our 0500 0500 105 0500 105 na me patrol no mo entwetwe enkomo Action Progressive Institute me patrol almost go track air classes no for SHS 1 and 2 no asha said then all subjects no wo eguso me patrol mentre fie ma me papa me ma oba ne entre fie mane enko Action Progressive Institute go track for normal classes mane enko bi sanso na SHS no admission eguso den regular for both boarding and day men for oba no enko fa ba bia sanse free HS ntina ma na ko fa ba bia afa later on no be ba no na F in chains there be faneko action or the no action na obesua de action na wa pass action and so the amount na make come from Action Progressive Institute anya anokwa anomo ayo me pato vocation vocational so omo edijuma wo wo pese o fashion designer wo pese o kwan usua ekwan fa so enu aduane wo pese o nutritionalist abomodian say o abeko Action Progressive Institute omo so mo admit crèche for sanso and nursery KG primary any JHS for no omo admit omo me patro bantima ji run about it so asa odi wani eko and asa odi wani actual so dala no onsa anifa so onsa nifa so obehu Ghana Commercial Bank and I say Ghana Commercial Bank so ho na action omo awo sanso na basic school no awo tafo moro marketo from our 0244 68 84 58 0244 68 84 58 na on action for into me and to trade and come on tell Tigo fuse bundle no one more eguso at the obandela me patcho football till that kingdom come obandla bundle na out there networks we all there obandla ha no ma send message o ma fa amu go po tell Tigo fuse bundle na there omo emmo po obandle kra won na nkan so mo kra person omo mbe yusu be ya omba be yusu me patcho you chip no ato nchen wa na koto tell Tigo one more chip nibi na bundle star 567 hash star 567 hash na me patrol didi emrana wosono so ye ba fie na sha say free maxon na Asian ho na Ahmed Magala no so ebeba so Christmas every Christmas no gala no eba so ewo Ahmed Mapa coach bebre say mon contact no na feed and yes from kokra sponsors any prices are much bia best player no omoma no mobile phone best player bia ye be ma mobile phone enti mon kofa mo registration form na Ahmed Magala no bia enkoso den and so emfa ma nkoku anase mrono a wo ba participate at that particular gala ni mo Maxi
asafo
ye ba fie wo se na nkwa ma no ne andu so nkwa ma no ne mo se fie nsem a wo fie no ena mo pese mu wuram remu mame kotoko Ashanti Gold omo free kotoko a drop it from the Champions League to the Confederations Cup. Okay. Remu mame
Mamenda was Namenda, me producer and ask for information you are feeding. I think he's done a great job. But for saying a mesha say I'll go there non be free. Non be free. But I say Ghana hano onya ba ever kase oh send e kwa go be free man. We are time for number public enemy number because yem Ghana for yem penokre. And I sometimes wonder why Ghana for I say hey nyame so mine.
Now, I a Christian country.
And I'm on penokre.
No, I want them penokre.
Oh, that's a Ghanaian.
No. Mount me generalize it. Master, to me
generalize. The name is all being tired. You got me. The
minister, what he said.
I mean, I make a mass. I mean, because I'm in
India. But I not tell you.
See, my mean,
to me generalize.
My mean, prove Ghana for my mean, prove it.
What way? Penokre. We are very truthful. This will count. Sounds so. I mean, Lincoln. A penocrat.
Yakasa Ghana for it might not be each and sundry, but we're talking about the majority. See a penocrat, Yabotre. Sagana ya penocrat. Or Momo canocro, Monebre. Is that not true? o da dan esisi a ye bedu achi ato aba ma mo aba ben mo is it not true se Ghana ye pen okra nka o de ye nkwa aben mu aba enye one party all the parties se mo mo kan no mba de yen no mo is also next almost have a kind to mom. Do we hold them checks? I can't so be one. Young pen of just put it there. Safo say, "Who you are against a wool back, baby, I'll be kind of cry, but won't I bet there."
But maybe kind of cry by me
now. Sana no credit here. O can because if we are saying painting, we bring your problem or better, but I saw stand it tall. Meaning, so what I say, ain't he? And on just go, they not be free. Because it was going to be very, 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 very difficult. Bekani is stronger than them. Bekani is more experienced. And with the results of Bekani in Yawa, and now they are all North Africa, no 50-50 balls no will be on their side. But all has good record, make clear, they deserve it. Because the issue is says, Oko home better to us say ye be no more red card. No, so wako player than I was almost. And you won a 2 times, and as I make them watch a player at the natural, enjoying it. The referee will give you a card. But if you are there, so you're lenient or money yellow, so it was an infringement. Won't you think I say infringement? And I'll have go now, I'll go for one day saying, a well taking go. Back why I said, see that Kiko said, long way, napa. Second one, long effort, pa, until complaint in a way.
Oh, that's good complaining.
There be, oh, make us say in the complaint.
Oh, okay.
It's the red card in the end, in fact. It bound to happen. Once you are going to North Africa, these things will happen. So you prepare for it. Meaning, so what as I make it. If they don't prepare for it now, but yeah, they've done their part. But Bekani team or Wako final, they are stronger. He plays in a stronger league. A best case was in ways and means or was BBR was sort of. And now what Bahan can we share train, and they be out the 3-goal lead and not 2 crack or yeah, but just a goal needed there. Let's even as go says I go here just a goal to really qualify and come. Bibi na esi ansa na amba so we dan on beche weapon. Meaning so what ya. Enti and a time cry dey call any ade. It's a whole lot. Enti as go there the mini problem. Kotoko de no. Coach me the chairman of Kotoko me pam na me man ndura na mapam.
No, I was told say the CEO George Amakun a confronting coach. More exchanges seriously.
It's
and to me, Maxi, me know ya dream pass say me na ye kuma say Sante Koroko bankrola inka wa me we see WhatsApp it.
Yeah,
you are fired.
You see yeah, I'm finding scapegoats. Also me bra a very good analysis on the issues of teams or mo change code. They be omo town winning. But also an analysis is most about draw. Meaning so what I say with the very good analysis no you said they be as a team change coach are possibly some be winning a higher but at least 1 2 3 4 teams be able draw it's gonna call ball draw and here way
ball draw is penalties
it we could have also gone on to draw it's a yes the fact that we change your coach in see a coach so that is not what Gaba was saying but Gaba was trying to say that say team changing the coach are in possibility some be winning a higher but in there they be more ball draw or moon lose. Give me a coin. Now we don't need to win to qualify. We can even lose and qualify. So we could have even gone on with a draw and even lose and qualify. Is that not the case? Yeah. We won 2-0. So if we had lost 2-1, 3-2, even 2-0 would have gone to extra time. Until we could have Gaba. In case yes, you bet me a draw back home. And I bet we could lose. We will still qualify. So why did we lose to qualify? But we rather lost and came out in regulation time. Come on, this is serious. If it has gone to extra timer, I would have committed as a boy yes or two. But taking 2-goal lead away, now within 90 minutes and go for national trade. I'm crying so much for. So game no kind of crying so much for. Especially when say from when you as a third goal, but don't go for the form by 1 red card. So who could blame the referee for it? You see, the issue of referee should stop. See, you started a referee confederations can be a better free. Mammy ma did. The entire say Saki coaching there. You we born on second level your confederation. No, we are not say inexperienced, me boy. Since when did he see that? So it means not the idea. Do you know why we should sack him? Or second level air confederations cap and the players are inexperienced. Granted,
the Ben realize.
Granted, since when did he realize? One cancer support my Nipa 8 million. Your bumpire, your Unisika, your top ticket. Otimo lawyer kwaku ya bo apia mo owura kwan mo to ticket na nkofo to ticket
Now
ni
he says level
your confederation you didn't tell us then his royal majesty you do for team ni ye ne dia no you didn't let him know then the whole of us at Ghana one million one buy no supporting ya who say level your confederation na ye hope akoshe no wa disappoint na ebi mo and football is a serious business the ACD built to me who nim
yeah it's true
it since when did you see that no one may yawe meaning so what you say see him say it in a confederation and ye call not ye kwa ye ni expectation is that true it's with that you know he has lied to 8 million supporters of the whole of the close to 30 million Ghanaians as anti for that matter his royal majesty so he should be sacked because you can't lead a dom like that and lie because lies say abonsam ne power one of abonsam ne power pan lies and I am so power say a truth it's na wo gina how for truth always you be must
coach na
oya abonsam aduma he has lied to us clearly what my hopes no yes what me sense from uni gold uni say gold ye ko pre empre ye ko also yanka say we copper na ye deserve it meanwhile you led us I should be sacked again Safo Hadid the emissary ye call Nigeria any pillars no almost saying
it was 3-2
any about home ye best saying
the best one 2
any 12 about high show saying 2 any acquire we almost saying good to had it the attendance I could talk about home ye best 2 but ye acquire we almost say 3 okay it's on a day kono kwanse go away near bed ye better ye free it's not say ya nhwe serious a confederation ye better free ebi ma ye o ne ye ko gina ho to no ye kwa we bi e so mo say ye tre no let make me coach ko team better than ye fa ke till there Zacharias edin kura nye coach din oh now we me pato before oba Ghana no coach team
so now our as good
now if so ho no e champion de be ma and yes we lose na make am ade okoye no metro game ya be bibia ntira so ye coach ukwa we bia wo je
coach no
e kotoko de ye ka no o say the best club in Ghana kwa we bia wa Africa so ne esku nkwala kra ye train no woje it a confederation camp ye kwa we ye ko je train aha so ye
be 2
aha so ye insert train so what do we do it we should address the system mba what I say na ma member game na ngasa approach ne plan or the game ni na ye wrong
okay approach when I get max
there was no approach there was no plan and once a monko bobo the approach is this critical game most of my catch there were type of games born here born in na pe see ye group stage a different ye league a different ye knockout a different ye cup final a different critical games as our game no results need to me change team no ne shebre
okay
into ways as konya results and ye shebre then as after 30 years akwahin Champions League. We are guaranteed $400,000. Aside the government, yes. Aside the government, aside what the averagely 5 million per match here, bebo. Aside the also the beba. Now, ya no. What did I mean? In the critical game, you know, the results need to make change team ne shebre. It is here cooperate our confederation the second time. It is this what you do. Only did by 2 goals to 0. Game now okobo no either say ube lose kra be qualify draw qualify oni dia we say okobo we are very cautious in your approach onye too non say medium bo nti me kobo ye nyeta especially when they are to Barcelona no padi no ebroni when su ahwe amfiri na de bia ye ka no nti what you think we don't learn they are Liverpool for the year Barca you didn't learn anything from it hwe I was so called 4-2-3-1. And yet the Bian is all 4-4-2 and I be no, it's not like that.
I say coach, you know, a Barca in defend your Nadi.
Mamma, who your coach? Who to make countries in defend your own? I know on your coach. And I'm so on your coach. Coach be a yet send you defending, send you possess it, send you attacking. That is your work. Meaning all here. It is all because who coach or who name send you defend then you should be sacked. As simple as that. It's the American say. 4-2-3-1 no adentia we system information is in 4-2-3-1 60% defensive 40% attack but what I say it's over 4-2-3-1 yes I will lose but possibility of conceding many goals no I will form If you were 2 holding midfielders, they will soak the pressure. You are 4 defenders now. Not throw 1 man up front. This is what you need to do. One year, and a ball in normal game. Now her ball be a boy. Time by now, Kotoko 1, 2, 3 pass. Anymore. How many shots na Kotoko on target?
No.
And your strikers no, because ball can name free midfield and Emma into a medic. They are redundant. Ball beyond the Bobia from defense na boom. So said here. Now mo ball boom only baby about no course. And cost 7 na cost 11. Even a big no yet tall no crano was not the target man with that boom boom ball.
I'm the man in Titi.
Yes, yes. She
Augustino Kra.
She Okra.
And
She Jordan. Now her Jamfi. She almost starter. It is all Bobon we on bed abo. And nuntina or man function. It is a most me boy mo share game ni bi no. Time Kotoko started from the ball net from a possession. What was happening in the game? Kotoko were dominating. That is what Kotoko should have played. And in the Kotoko defense no. Say defense ne balloon ball now, it will affect the midfield play.
Yeah.
Because you started building the attack from the back. So when the defenders are possessing, the midfielders takes it and ended up in attack. But if we are not possessing, the midfield was redundant because Jordan or smallish and ball we it was only Justice Blake. And also he was cut out. The midfield was not existent. Who's the last catcher was there? Because a central defender went to me and Bobo now when you because Justice Blake they sealed your money now. Or quite no went to me and said, what happened?
Trouble.
What I say? Remember how? Or what happened? It was trouble. Again, the issue of Da Costa playing 2. In a so when you soon add this, a boy and answer confirm say he's not comfortable.
Okay.
Na coach you say ombo. But in a critical game, you don't experiment. Meaning what I say. And even so who no. Minim player do a training no or ya there. But clearly, we share balls now. A 1 a 5. So what it means is that in Kofono was saying, yes, we are born near balls. So means out here. 80 year no gamer. So mobile. Issue meaning that your man Kofono now on right game on person mobile and on boy. I hope you understand the point. Again, say sha, say balloon ball. Na ball ba boom no wake here. There is pressure on you.
Yeah. Yes,
you invite pressure. It's a one area the coach failed because now who partner got to go on a day. I say you park or so bobo.
As a school for
yes.
Or more coaching.
You park or so bobo. Good, but it wasn't working. Into a one area a higher again. We had Twala ahead of this game. There were 2 goals down. Your advantage, my boy. Now, at 2 last 4 games, you know, they've scored only 1 goal. No, my conceded 4. They've never won. So it was a team on uniform. Is that okay? What they told you, the coach was sacked. Their coach is even new than your coach. In terms of ideas in the team, no, advantage. We stand advantageous. Good. Kumasi Sports Stadium capacity, you say. Let's say 40,000. Good. See about to 4 capacity.
Yeah.
Baby, I call about the capacity, you say. Oh. Nipa sign and all.
The place was.
It is awful. Say over 40,000 with this Nipa way with all the red. Now what stadium capacity no from Kra Nipa ma. And so we are more motivated and that's how we saw bad down. And was you feeling at home to play the game? Why didn't you? It's immediately confederation A level. Some meaning if I'm making sense. It's not just say Kotoko home na ye winning no. And your supporters no mo banning the omo ye no. Who's the be make friends supporter anything ye winning. The same at toi has of folk nko onko ye omo fi mu da.
Yeah.
So who told this here to me? Internet just say supporters in the bubble no ha Into the question I'm be so bian say, are we going to play away and concede 3 always and come home and score 2?
No.
What are we doing? What do you not on China? Coach on tie ni so no an be edman am pedi for no montie. Obuntie di American. Da Costa. Eba central defense wo Kotokwa. He is one of the best among or if not the best. I suggest nyame na metro mo. So oni agima bedu na mo. because in terms of tackling, no, he's good there. Adjman Bedu also plays the ball as a modern day centre back. Adjman Bedu now who is ano or no starting ball yen no, but chance na one day. Ede be anandi ne meka asem be andi my researchers who was na kan no correct. But chance no when there is a fine player. This is a central defender who can move forward and even give an assist for a striker to work, to score. That is the modern day type or you good. Da Costa is a very good tackler and he puts fear in defense. So defense the moment put fear opposing attackers man more redundant. Meaning so what here. Niam for the no be bought that way anymore. Patrick Yeboah Wabama is going very well. Meaning why the coaching ning na ya e permitted because sometimes we do. But we so anweke. Now so for me be real. Assemblies in Ahadi. What is West Africa now the powerhouse of African football? The entire West Africa here the powerhouse of African football they say. Over on the continent we are not dominating in the club and also at the national team no. But the world level bigger than Africa. And we call world level West Africans and they're making. And you heard George Opon we and Kwanaji world best player is West African. But what I say? No about your friend saying this guy. Your friend saying Yaya Toure. No about Didier Drogba. What about Michael Essien? Laurent Poco. Now about there be Cameroon Central. Now about your friend is saying Abedi Pele. Anthony yes, JJ Okocha. Kanu, Finidi. What I say? Now about your friends, my baby Pele, Anthony Yeboah. Oko Lisa, and then your friends say Frankfurt he celebrated. Yeboah Kwabrucha, bodyguards Nikita. Dani Amokachi. Your friends say Amonike. Almost all the stars in Africa came from West Africa. But then about African footballer more relegated here because Champions League now group stage no West African team, will you believe that? But now East Africa, Central Africa, North Africa, Southern Africa, do you know why? I'm not sure why. One. Your wages are much here.
The pay what? And the buy quality.
So when wages are those other people here. For compare there. In Nigeria, team enko ye kura ni $3,000 a month. In Ghana, ye ni say all the other nations are serious in football, including Africa. Ye was sikebi as a wunia only club. Maybe so what say. But in Ghana, obi anya ni 200 Ghana, no what take club. Into untria players ka kura mfa ho. And again, akoya mane, si ma player $1,500 kra, Ghanaians will speak against. It is for the maybe say team on the players ka $5,000 a month. Now what would you be about $300? Say nyame hu obi mo ba hwan obi hu no mo bo. Ya butro. Would you aduma na wo ye no? Say aduma ye good. Other stations you good. Ye nyina ye good. Safo na ye tua $5,000. Na other station you tua $300 a month nko fo a. De na ye say nyame hu omo bo mo inkunima abotro de be mo.
No tua 5,000.
Yes, why? Because already nyame ma ye good. Enti ade a doctor Croy or Ghana standard me bona ba so say to be ye bi anka Ghana boy peda. And this week me be ma kire odi entia.
Okay.
Enti finally.
Yeah, na see time.
There was so my sponsorship. Me ba asemo ma men kan ende enidi mo. Say kotoko ye betna ha. Kotoko for betna Croy. No masre house of folk for. Say a stadio di po be mine. Or many mobile phone people. Or many Uncle T. Mpajo tie. No more sre house for. Na house akwose ombro. They bought friendly match. Tia some na make kan. House 1 year 3 omo no. Omo se den ombro. Pa ombro bi na esperance she. Na Kumasi asande ko e ba Africa we just be e she. Mame ma we mi fa we. Kwame Conte. Okoya na the Godfather Utie. Or a former footballer, former player by Modi. And no, or catch up so mom brandy JC no family Godfather, T the American. Ain't JC no, or my boy Diego 10. And now, oh come on, nice one. And now, on it, Master Bakuna put at the same Godfather. And now, father, yes, and go for you, Abruch or Musso Munia Kotoko, is not much also wild Debbie to the Bebren. And a match also J Kotoko, dear brand the Koi. Tia Sam American. Make us macho. What if say JC not the coin? Kotoko di go for nanje. The quality no from Mamin Casa as a Minabutre. As the no say, Mammy and Dada. Kotoko is bigger than that. Mammy more example, hey. Shadi as a West Stadium.
30 seconds.
How many jerseys now Kotoko ya fiwe?
How many jerseys?
Yeah, like jerseys on we first like 4.
4.
We have the red, the white,
the
green and the yellow. What is that go for top green, black and more than the first color red? Why? It is our. But in all earnest, no, Jane and Komotonic. Good. If we don't deserve that, if Kotokoya Asante Maya, I don't believe say there is no Asante, no Kotoko Nipa, or Quabrucho, yen to me, or moon to me, yan like. Ombro, and I say your friend saying, Ense, and Kakap, na yesen. Now it is a young color, they call it. Masaya, Yam Papa, your cap in that. We deserve that. Say, yes, I did not. A drew the idea. Nyami be who the other team no yen your mapano mobo.
Okay, Maxwell, I say, Andy, yeah, Buffy, Fissam no kakra.
Where the Nakakra. So Macassa and can't.
Kawasam. Kasa.
Say, Kasa, over the whole day, mount.
The whole day, there's something who cries all sorry. Andy Casa time.
Mamma chair, Madame for prison.
Yeah, better.
Up a bomb for assembly, my own now for me breathing. Animals over here announcement.
So, many course
the brain will be out here, child.
Your bomb is a bit merry.
We never decided. I had a can't win with the other one because I was feeling seriously. I can't want
me who was good first 11 and who's almost so much.
I didn't hear.
Mecano has a TD and say, say a born I a born. Still, your coaches in NT football. I say, you don't go to RS Bekeni, who has played in the Confederation Cup finals and experiment.
Okay.
Then, yes, sir. Oh, football. Who call Lions then or experiment? Number 1. So, what check it the back four of Ashgooda, make I say, I join your fit. Mohamed Musa, any one player, or Besha or Diaman, they have no option. Only Mubarak. On the right, there was a problem with Atakusi because he's a good player, but he has stayed at home for close to
2-3 years.
Yes, in 3 years. Inti, Odi players say kwako to game ewo North Africa no pace is very key. Again, Emmanuel say about form no man. Games are go to ball chrome and no money mobi. O mobi
and why?
Maybe say penny back reasons of the man. Me can't answer matter. Just guess it. You don't go play a player. In a game, it's so much intense. Game I win to me home. Why was Jordan Opoku exposed in Medford or call on Frey on? He will call you tomorrow. No, the me born abba. The game was so intense. And it's a woody, when you player, when you fully fit, when you play, I bet him the recovery abba, when you play, I bet him your support, when you play, I bet him your defender, the boy. You don't go out there and start Emmanuel Oseba for because as good if you saw by games on my bunny now started from bench. If you are Emmanuel also moneba. Michael Jacob monebo, Marco Rero monebo. And it's a how Bonata Manuma am Mobia. And after one starting, why do you go and start a player all the way in North Africa, player on your fully fit? Now, 7 in answer, your coach is not a foul on my level animal. But Toko can't, Nayasin. Omo level ani eni manimu haya. It just go to there. Omo akumo who on paper, and it was so clear. Said they will be exposed and check their game plan. Maso was talking about a 4-2-3-1. Almost still omo kobo the 4-3-3 open up play with a 4-1-4-1. James I come in Konkwa just in front of the back four. And Crawford almost stretching with defense. The defense should be 5 because 2 3 I can't pay you. And almost will deploy the typical West African style by playing the 4-3-3 because in North Africa for the typical young family can bon and contain ball they put it. Into almost stretch with defense the content 10-1. Na can you pay me you pay inside the 18-yard box. No ma double up. Because straight away they attack with 3. Into 3 back a 3 pay. Na ni mo nfinfina 4 into within the 18-yard box no ni pay me as against 2 on besel. Into ye no one course ma go dey free mono. Silver Sports. Into ado ye me kasa nwa. Until some see a bedia too. Na ya tenase, na ya planning, na ya going for quality no. The be be kwa koso kwa mu sa. me say go and check the Mamelodi Sundowns team. Omun team in configuration ka. Sundowns team no nko atena na hwe om. Tembers one mo dey play for Bafana. Omun dey so Egypt mo Afcon mo na Egypt enya omunya omu tabre no.
11.
And so omun team nye it go and check why. They have so much quality. They paid better. They employ so much money more coach the national team. But they don't have that level enough experience more to compete with them. Until see your bet nasen. Ne ye be jay kasam. Ne ye be headed toward the system and the modern day trends. Everything you boy a club some more winning competition. The bia ye be kwa basa. We say next year ye be sa kwa ba be discuss. Say last year sir. Ye koba ani asan ba be discuss the way forward. In say see ye be kan okura kire onkrofo nsa masa. Time so say we compete and o set ba na so be a ba nim. Lower your expectations. Champion make us ole you in ball so fu ibio. Daddy. This be your kind of our standard. Intiado, as go do there. The coach disappoint from the world goal. Make us say omo opponent the number 5 ne ba mbe gina dem sakam nko na go jani dumia. And pair his lineup. Ya no say open up play, you cannot soak the pressure. Me see Guardiola mo kra akwa we ko defensive tactics. By possessing in their own area. Ye the encrofo ne call ya ye kwa kopi go ase Ghana coaches in kwan the team de biase de sisego the piom ko train ya mo se wo number 7 na call 11 no twaba no across na ba kwa be boss the pia mo de 400 the pia no. But in knockout games you need to manage. It is so key. You need to manage. And I will see a clubs and the game is played at home. A hundred the anko ya ma wa o kwa we di ado nature say okwa akokwe bi kwa no wasaba because one team ye teams na players that one cannot go out there and beat the North African teams. It's that is for us good. Zacharias and seminar of Canada was afado. Me hear say the contract meet me akan mu kakra wa ha. Na
what details
and details of the contract.
Say performance based contract.
What the me say me wo me wo ha.
Be na ken
me wo ha. Nti wo de me on my submissions na
me kind of one.
Obiana.
Where he's supposed to read the group stages in his first
season.
He's supposed to reach the group stages in the first season. Second season, semi-finals of the Champions League. Third season, first season target is group stages of the Champions League.
Said the way of being Castellani Akotre BBA.
Okay, on 7th July 2019. Story written by Gideon Boachibuchi of Kumasi Asante Kodoko. Communication department. Now this is how it goes. It sets the target for the coach. And it's indicated in red lines to say first season on for Kotoko group stages. Whether obey the second.
Group stages.
Second season from group stages to semi-finals. Third season uncle final and uncle cup.
And I say what me targeting until he can be fired. Say performance based.
I don't. It can be fired na sabna mo kan me no ma so nyina anyadwe.
I didn't.
Max omudi na omde fa. Omudi.
What
would say?
No, I saw the as good
anything on the fa. Na ta what dey go shakotoko ye the group stage of confederation cup.
Silver Sports.
What are you talking about? So all the ads go in shakotoko 3-1 and you the group stage of confederation cup. No.
The issue is that who coach the amount targets Champions League group stage.
Also
when say team on the amount
and Champions League.
And I also have sign a contract GC can say into aqua where is here so Bruni ampa.
Ebia ne kala
Silver Sports.
First, na kotoko di Zundek. Medindo, Portafield. And Kodrick. No, Hans Smith at the back. And then Crawford the call him to coach his back room. And I got to Diaba. We are Kotoko supporter, analyze the situation. Now the game itself.
Silver Sports.
Coach now 7 Okasa Kotoko level when you're configuration. It is a hard truth, but that is the reality. But name Yempesi a better than that. And I am that was yet in the last week. But he assured every Kotoko supporter said, or the way neighbor. A son or kind. A some or kind. So really the or the back room into coach. Sasama Okan in a mere material meaning said. I beg any rich data cannot win the Champions League. I don't need any magician to tell me. Because none of these players come close to Anis Badri and Wadi Kazirimo to win the Africa Champions League. No. It's minimum. But Sassam we want me and can't Asha Kofan Kugoi. And I'll get some with Babe to that. Now on the foot. Me who said the typical 4-4-2 Nanam say as a Messi. There's no plan. There's no tactics. There's no strategy. Hey, no one. And me catch a mistake. Monaka Babe Raspo to the Mr. Coach, no come with mistake. No, Abano, Biabet, nothing. Yes, said this catch. I told him about Baba Raspo to you. You go training ground by 11. And no one. Supporters are happy. Management are happy. OPI are happy.
Brony coach.
And Ado, Asama Makan, Mr. Ghana. Kotoko we need one match. Now Kokasi be and Koye hey. It's just like Blaster. Blaster winning one match. I almost see a bit of I dare bet you good on hey, Kosapia and Pam. Sa game a coach in a cowboy. Only North Africa for Bobo. 4 at the back. Even so, who's not so low or catch the management to sell quite we are. Or Bebo Ivan so usu. Now who more particular what catch the management. Yeah, somehow it's your I catch it. You are going to play a team that plays so much on the weight. And on Baham, Adia and Marco Tokotimia Tuna and say, players are not almost so influential from the flanks. Darwin Gonzalez, Hamza Lima. How many players are not almost so influential on the flanks? It almost will do Kotoko in the first 20 minutes. But players need this so well by making sure that in the second part of the game, they will not come to the party. Until Gonzalez Darwin has more board that. Obahan because
and like I say me interject so Adeba kwa me from invention say North Africa for some mobile West Africa omo ball anka sa omo ball no mo mba no aha no mo sheda be ball bi no mo be defend ya enti wo ball omo kroma andi no mo bie ball anka sa omo ball and no see another reason it
enti ado the wingers did never came to the party e Baba Sports Stadium enti wo kono de na nu so omo be bie ja. It is straight away you go by the Milo system. Particularly about the 11. Nevans also at that 3. Into quantity there. What you are not done for the right. Into what you are quite me because a hard number exploited free. Ben Kuma 95. Then you strengthen your midfield. I don't say. Check any team in the world number 8. Tony Cruz, Kevin De Bruyne and the likes. I don't think about now for Benji about Rakitic. Why? It is because and then you need energy in midfield. Just blame quantity containing midfield. And I got Besende signal no Baba Sports Stadium. One day I'll play Kotoko in the midfield. You really are can't baby out here. I can't say good and she go now say and you go on the air. Game in your body department by department. Time and I got to go show be last season were in the Confederation Cup. It was because Conte were just super.
Especially
and since you know Fabon but I really for I love for how much so Conte we got over one.
Let's me choose.
Oh man to me. So the game is played in midfield. Until you don't open up the midfield play. Unko BM sa much as play in Jordan. Against a team that play 3 men in midfield. And then no BR say Jordan, no BR say Jordan. I'm saying they should allow Jordan to play. You can say the Kotoko here in number 8. Omuko fa wingers in kwama akoma 9. Football no yes an ye bono. Sin na bi wi an ya koti asofo na eduro no. Nya ka chom say no. That is not how the football is played. The game is played in the engine room of football. Just explain to me cover because space in so. The midfield was so widely open and they exploited Kotoko in midfield. Who be in my defense no. Omunye magicians. Straight away the defense will be open. And I do Nemusa. And Nemusa and I dear Joe, we aspire over any striker. A jati be your bonny queen one. A call yana. In a way game, straight away you going for 4-5-1 system.
What packing the food?
And Fina. Number coupage in a new. A car no a general block it. No, they are prefer will not film in Amoba. Sir. But this coach decided to stick to the 4-4-2 now. People so now number 7 11 Now what worries me and what kills me is the only player out the ball now almost so bad so nipa me and Sabano no Sako inefim. And the changes have been one from day one. Emmanuel Demfi Kevin and in.
Static.
Static in the game na ye ko bo ye nim say
Go for the same.
nkrofo no so omo with play no omo ya de o so omo defend better say Jamfi betimi abo ye nya mo match no obi an say Jamfi be funu ma Kevin Andaba it's number 11 local coaches na Adon Kameka maka no ha say coaches na de ne number 7 free na 7 aba 9 free na 9 aba no ana ayi abege free na bikita ba sa it is template a dao say ya na ho me it ye na say ball na say ye opponent ye nim game plan be ball ye nim system on be ball still our changes in the differentiate say ye tam ye dey call Silver Sports and the coach continues to disappoint.
Okay,
we are going to support ahwe coach this 7 games our bono striker say 1 goal per Kotokoni Omni Sport striker bi anche goal Kotokoni Kanu Pillars so na we know Kotokoni atoa and I will that say go Kotokoni go striker bi anche go and the coach the ball out it is only wingers in the team say go and the opponent ni make it yourself Emmanuel Jamfi out Kevin Ando out Martin Entry out Augustine Okla out the game is finished and I know omo hu say Augustine Okla Americani ahoden a de ball masa any hasen kwa Jamfi no also omo chine show mbotom that was the end of Kotoko.
okay.
And I do for Kotoko to play the game in empty stadium and yet the favorite grounds of Etoile Sportive desire. And I've heard this issue of microphone inequality. I go and read about Karim Arabi. Only more quality. You don't know the man. Not Ella Bikomba how much I Kotoko Kumasi. No. Kumasi is just like company. You cannot just come here and beat Kotoko in Africa because Kotoko so class and pedigree. But when the game is played in a way, Cotton Sport the Garu of him because Kotoko no mko so mutiri tu. But Kotoko kan na koye miensa. Kotoko just ko lusu ya Kotoko against Kano Pillars so Kotoko against Ila lusu. And the coach no some most set target for him. It just simply because of co-group stage. Make it sure that away games no ko abakwa perform and the sad aspect I don't know the man no. Kotoko management no who say one. Kotoko away Kotoko born NC tournament. The only game that they won in away was against Air 11 Wonder. The game was played in neutral grounds. And no only game Kotoko boy or Mutimi really away from Kumasi. Again, Kotoko Elbow TI2. The only game on Mamman Baba that's what they call Accra. They lost by 3-1. That was as good. How smart almost had the Accra. It was a draw game. They won on penalty. And Kotoko away performance and your tone. They should sit down and analyze that particular situation. Then said the be sorry and I have confederation and I again. You can never. I carry my revenue 1 match or say 4, and now I will say 2. What of I beg $25,000 about shot on target go to me more in games.
Okay, and I say, so Remuna Garibara.
Osafo say who check contract no kwa dia hekra and wa come ababa from kakra. But the last video I posted was the Sell Better Champion page interview our coach in here. And this is what he said. We are going into the playoff clash against Etoile to win.
Okay, that was the mentality.
Yeah. And not to play for a draw because it's an away game. So coach, you can't say Okobobo. Now Obeshe. Nanya unko for draw mpo na olusu 3-0. Eso say KC ka kona nkie pa no. KC kan kie just ikine. It is a career sense have to face the whole situation. They can remember seeking and say them opinion. The factors on paper, and Saturday I made mention of the factors. Say I miss salute to opinion friend George Amako for their decision say Yankobo bonus. Because that's one. And I'm describing say a 30 minutes drive from the traditional home grounds of Etoile. And the relationship between USM Monastir for any Etoile and Rocky. I said Kotoko was not first, now Kotoko as good at him. Maybe a 30 minutes drive. So you saw the attendance with stadium.
It was new.
And you're intimidating. Very, very necessary.
Why can't you?
And so your coach now going to this particular game. Not the fear factor, they are going to plan here. The away fans, the intimidation. Because we are talking about time you're born. And now they are about to North Africa, that list normal to talk. But all those factors were out of the game. The grounds was flatter for Coach Fred Zachariasen and the boys need to do something. But let me make a So she could game against Kano Palace. Oh, Kano na. Second half, Kotoko better say Kano Palace 2-1.
Nti Kotoko second half nyo.
In the course of the game, I'm betting say Kotoko 3-2 near the point. What does it tell you? Game management. A simple game management. Sabon. A true baby, so who sunny is if I done in your in such a way as ever go in favor of you. Your default settings were. But the reality on the ground sometimes is not default settings near the twaddle. I saw who chika, it's me choice who do run about my own alcohol. But what you run about now to create a bit free left by so I'm articulating. I'm over them. And yes, I'm running chess a woman woman who drew the reality. Sometimes you augment the rules to favor the situation on the ground.
Okay.
So your instincts might be attacking. Maybe your old boy be attacking. But who could draw grounds? No? Situation they calling for game management.
Quickly.
And to correct Liverpool game on the space boy. I was Liverpool on Bubu. But what then on me? At that moment, it wasn't about flamboyant football.
It's about winning.
It was about winning. And in this case, we were 2-0 our echo. See, a body we not qualifier. Obetting as on your man in the group stages. So what matters most was the qualification, which was not far from Kotoko. It's like a local coach and get and you're 3-0.
2-0.
What's a 2? No could consider 3. In a game at the time it drew 2-0. Who opponents now go by a man down. Who opponents are go by a man down. So the issue of game management, from yes, you have to know how over managing game. The decisions you will take should be prudent. Send over managing game now. No, I say it true. And on that angle, so what should you see what can do now? Because for African football, we win away 2-1, and I will call 2-2 a positive result. And so all the sign or walk away. No, I sent him on 2-1. At that moment, you must manage so you lose. If you had a draw game or that win, I remember. But coach let me manage my coach consider 2. Just the fucking aspect said, not coach cash 2 that. And on Baha 2-0. And no game no called for proper game management.
Okay.
But let's look at the permutations. What's your protocol? Standard your configuration. What's for coach, you know? I have sacking of coaches in the hard thing. But the man members have a tough talk with the coach. A tough talk. Because so quite well could lose 3-0. Offensive free, they don't deserve a comment like this.
Yeah.
They don't deserve a comment like this because at the moment, Kotoko still a competition.
Okay.
So how you safeguard the ship? Ship in a bubungu and so that's you. Ship in a because why is it Ponoswako? That the direction I'm going and every action should safeguard the ship. Say between our twice where we are confederations cap no year. And yet the idea before Baba ship nebu.
Okay.
Now let's look at this. Coach in the by. What's up? The right back position. We give emphasis near evidence. Last season Africa Kotoko boy, ne Sefani Amos. Amos Atana Kotoko 8 years. The experience of getting Sefawo in Ghana football mediama akwa ne mu aba asgo ni ade no. Even quiet trials for house folk na so. Amos Frimpong ko Kotoko answer right back. You try haka. Coach number 2, you read Sika Connors report. Over here analysis of the team who said the right back position yourself. We are converting a centre back to a right back position. And from the games, Bibia there they say he's suffering. Then fell non to. Now let's come to the middle. Last season Kotoko Africa. Jordan Opoku, Omar Bashir, Kwame Kunte, Richard Sinenu, Prince Aqua, Steven Nyaku Nieji. These were the midfield options for Kotoko, central midfield and your wingers. Central midfield. Obayeno was up by default. What did Nieji? Steven Nyaku and Omar Bashir. That was transfer. 3. Kwame Kunte 4. Richard Sinenu 5. Uwe yano Prince Aqua register 6. Then oye. You lost 6 central midfielders. And look for Justice Blay by a class of how we replace Richardson. And one penny replacement and the backup for Justice Blay in the shape of Arno Didi. But now Kwame Kunte, Omar Bashir, Steven Nyaku, Nieji.
It's who replace him. Jordan no harder though. So the transfer policy of the coach is even questionable. And that can happen. And that's why some Benton, we said it here. Say, look, Kotoko will one day be exposed in the midfield options, central midfield options. And we talk about someone from Paul. Say, look, some person who progress here in Africa. Your second choice central midfielder should not be someone from Paul. But then a coach there. Why not? Kotoko did not go in for any midfield option. And so now the catch himself midfield was weak. They played with inexperience. Why not blame them?
No.
Yes, Augustine Okran. Now Martin and you other. And now I saw Banco de Pra. Now I prefer go for the Siama. And I prefer Augustine Okran. 3. Okofa Kevin and Beckham. Was satisfied. You satisfied almost the major positions. And I would judge the midfield when I want to lose players, Marco 6 no. 1 for 4 Biamba. So if at the end of the day, after losing 6 central midfielders, 1 for Biamba, so now they catch them and say, the team is not fit.
Okay,
who prepared the team? Who prepared the team?
Coach.
You had resources.
Yeah.
And only resources.
All resources.
And today, I'll be catching and say, oh, quite away, I can't win.
I feel.
After Oko ball draw and Oko Lusu, yeah. You are now telling us the team relatively is not fit. Who arranged the team? No one even knows.
On you. Okay, over here, I say, Garba.
Osafo, Asante Kotoko about Champions League 10 times in the last 15 years.
In the last 15 years, 10 times.
From 2000, we count the 10th time about Champions League. Back open on model group stage.
Okay.
So by performance, it is true that Kotoko performance in the Champions League ever form. But and this coach Zachariah baby Ojinano. Name Nise Okasa Asem no, especially when he has been eliminated from the Champions League. What share quite on fast so any team ni efrimo. Kotoko level so beji Champions League and on Ondru ho, but and yes Kotoko level on team Ndru Champions League group stage. No, I don't accept that. Why not their group stage the next say ultimate Drew. So ko Drew no team and na o ka tre say Kotoko level no nya Champions League a ye beji watum. Asem na o ka no opia no nko. So I say 12-2 no. No akwa away. Ekwa on fast lose 3 no. Ye no be again penalty no na enye penalty. It was non-existent. Efri so ase.
We so ase penalty.
Okay. Sani bu beno. This is dubious. Bro, this is dubious penalty. Dubious
French worker say.
C'est dubieux.
Controvertible. Controversial. A controversial penalty. Ado. What you know, 2 goals na aka no so e. Yen hwe the man akotoko consider those headers from Abante friend Aribi in the box. Sam to na. It is our 2 goals there. I have question about that. And Kotoko defense no. Oma make Felisanan as a useless goalkeeper. Felisanan is not a bad goalkeeper. His defense let him down big time. Because I call record him bad. So I said 2-0 away 3 goals. And a moment goalkeeper no e consider. In midfield, Jordan Opoku was not in the game because Salim Bukanchuk. They're not saying number 6 no. Hey, what a player. I do a crowd in the crane or ye Juma. Bono or come here. In 15 no a fat abonnable. Onane dictated the pace of the game in midfield. And no man koye my 12. Ewa in 15 and we binum so ye Juma. Bin air Faris musu jina 10-10 Dennis Air Gonzalez rum. Omo fa ball no mo deba. Ultimo se na semesi. Second goal by over the mentality of the Kotoko players. Showmanim. E hwa na mi so mo bomabu. Because second goal no buy a pet. And I make say and then I accept the third goal ebeba. And paso third goal no ebuy. Now the big question is where from now Kotoko is saying no omo kohe. They are going to the Confederation Cup. Management in refie. In football you can never stop. Say Kotoko ye football club here. Omo timi ndai da the business of football. No matter how the humiliation, disappointment.
Still.
It's 28 years. Yeah, be. It's a woman of you. No more Confederation Cup, nothing. Nemo, as some na papa na kan no. Kotoko performance in the Champions League. Another time you better say hear me. Mentia say, and then also say, how Kotoko nose dive no and 2004 Kotoko Champions League omo free mo prelims na 2005 Malik Jamal di omo ko omo free mo 2006 na Kotoko drew the group stages the EK Afrani legendary EK Afrani
no kwaje 4 no
the group stage and they can was 7 no 2007 Talato Zoom Ofrimu 2009 Opele Boateng or the Kotoko Frimu against Itiad Kamise 2010 Pakwesi Fabian 2013 Masu Didi Dramani 2014 Didi Dramani 2015 Didi Duncan against Uma Wentimi and 2019-2020 Jetil as a career sen also in Tima Kotoko Andrew the group stages of the Champions League. It is something that Ghana for in Ayentrase Titu Kotoko for Montrase no boom compo no more show why Kotoko about Champions League baku edu 10 from 2004 be say na 15 years e mu baku pe and obatima akwa drew the group stage of the Champions League. Zacharias na mbon homogen osan on the team no omu gu omu anum ase na emom no yenka wo se anya na esa ase baku edu Udu group stage baku pe 1 out of 10 na it is a hard game in the Confederation Cup. Within that same period, Kotoko group stage Zumienu in 2008 under Bashir Rayford and 2018 under Bashir Rayford. It is a whole share. As some now coach in the Kayano, Yamin the Kranimie, sign it here, name not when I want Kasawalidi. Okay. No, be beside coach on the level again.
No, the level your coach.
That is how was say. Level and the Champions League.
Level, no.
That's a block I analyzing here or say. Kotoko level ye Confederation Cup was he facing no credit. No coach na coach na also that team na no. Also level ye saying.
Okay.
We are some me bisa.
Okay.
Ni bisa.
Merase. Sports engineer no. Ashmin. We be able to there. And no Brighton Park na see you.
No ye kopie mo nkoko. Mincha Erika Sanko. Nyako we police ni wo koto na Master Alex ono so ekwa na ndro ayeko pie nkoko enya senketo nkoko ye de ndro papa bobo ayeko bo no hono hwe dominication mo se do mo se twi nkofo ma na Kofi Koji so nipa me ni twi omo na delegation no me ne baba shine na Abbas na Chama Ishak Mate de Clemendo John Tuano Ahmed mu nyina ko sia ona kwaku safo wa wonim se so ho ntino ye ko pio mo ye so mu tuwa e so ko fo no tuwa na ye Alex Master Alex na nije pa nto se ne ko chamo to na dmombo wo so se ko she ko tuwa no na o se o sa to pampers dia ko chure so na un se pomp no se pomp no so ba so discount wo but ni agent ro pa na 3 goals na pio mo ko ko nti amana ni age na nro no so no we share has players no so ayinku na ntibamba Michel Sapon no o injury kakra na mona bless ni mo aka nyina amaba na Sapon so o se ye ntuma no so no ayi ready e wo center back to ye ntuma no to ayi ready na ayi unse this week Africa no has players big boy mo ko je as a mensa ne mo former players as a mensa mo ni inu so mo yade e na o hwa the country won so to say Tunisia say ye players ni the teams bi ko hono team bi ko hono so mo coach no ko ti asoro ho na mo ne kan ya na o ye
okay you say some nasa ya fa ko
uli sa dia wo ya na Saturday wo ni ayi obo mi ko ha dia mo ya no ye ka wa asema na wo wa ka tin pa o ye
0200
because yeah sports lose win draw in a group bo yeah ko bo ado mu huri mo lose dia ya ka na wo wa